today we are going to see how to make this paper diya wall hanging or backdrop for Diwali. Hey guys, it's Nikki here. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I love to make cute craft and beautiful home decor DIYs every week. So if you're interested in that, hit that subscribe button and give me a big thumbs up if you enjoyed today's video.
There's a party in your head, I can see it. Your eyes, they tell me everything. And even if you don't wanna believe me, the truth is just too clear to see. You're fighting with the devil on your shoulder, 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 shoulder. And I'm not your enemy, I just wanna get to know ya, know ya. Know ya, know ya. Eyes, you're vacant. I wanna see you in the morning. Wake up when you say hello to the world. I wanna look deep inside what's behind your vacant eyes. Your vacant eyes. Your vacant eyes. You want me, but there's too much danger. When you fall in love, it's innocent. I don't know if you can win. Can you give in? I know you can, baby. Eyes, you're vacant. I wanna see you in the morning. Wake up when you say hello to the world. I wanna look deep inside what's behind your vacant eyes. Your vacant eyes. Your vacant eyes. There's a party in your head, I can see it. Your eyes, they tell me everything. And even if you don't wanna believe me, the truth is just too clear to see. You're fighting with the devil on your shoulder, 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 shoulder. And I'm not your enemy, I just wanna get to know ya, know ya, know ya, know ya. Eyes, you're vacant. I wanna see you in the morning. Wake up when you say hello to the world. I wanna look deep.
If you make this, share the pics with me on my FB or Insta page Craftopus by Nikki. To watch such more craft and home decor ideas, click the subscribe button. Also like the video and click the bell icon so that you won't miss my new videos. I hope you enjoyed this video guys. Thank you so much for watching and don't forget to check out my other videos as well. See you in the next video. Bye bye.